Excuse me.
Awa.
What did you buy? Yeah.
Dog mix! Dog mix!
Ayuha! Kasi daddy, ayan daddy, nagbili na ako ng dog mix sa akin
Sige.
ko. May socks ako, may
Show daddy. Show daddy yung can. This is...
This is dog mix stuffing.
Oh, show me. Wow, you like that. And then what else did you buy?
Socks!
Socks
And panty frozen. I don't
and
wanna...
panty frozen.
No. That to daddy. That's disgusting.
What?
That's disgusting. That's
Don't
good.
tell that to daddy, that's disgusting kay panty man.
Ah, okay. So what else did you buy?
Dog and shoes.
Shoes and also another one for Tweet Tweet.
Yes.
And also a new pants.
And also the box.
So did you like it? You say thank you to daddy. Come on.
Thank you, daddy.
I'm happy. Say I'm happy.
Tell daddy nicely.
Yay.
Thank you, dad.
Thank you, daddy.
Ano? What else? Come on.
Ah, wala. No.
His shoes. Okay, you say bye-bye na to daddy.
Baba.
Ayusin mo ba? Hindi na yan siya mag-ano sa'yo next time.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, baby.